G'day guys, Johnny's Hot Tip here. Now make sure you subscribe for 10 years good luck. Okay, today we're fixing our door jamb. But as they like to call in the packet, they like to call it a door clip. I think that's a bit of a joke calling it a door clip, but hey, it is what it is. Alright, so first off I've just ripped this bit off. Don't need that. Alright, now you're going to want to get your drill. You want to just undo these two little screws here. Oh, that's tightening it, we'll go the right way. Alright, you take that out. Here we go, like so. We don't need that anymore. And we'll go to the next one and take that out. Now obviously in the new packet we've got new screws, so just put these screws aside. You never know when you're going to need them. Just good hot tip, keep them. That's all I'm saying. Put them in a little container, but you want to keep them. Alright. Now here's the new bit. Oh, still that bit hanging on there. There we go, just rip that up. Alright. So obviously we don't need to drill new pilot holes because, as you can see, there's already holes there. Alright, so we'll just get out a new bit here at the side. Alright, you want to set that up. Make sure it's up the right way. Obviously you don't want to have it like that. Make sure it's sitting up the right way. Alright, and you want to just try and line it up. A little bit of rubbish in the way there. What I like to do is just get them started by hand. Like, you probably don't want to use your drill on that. Just get that sitting there by hand and then get the other one and use it. I'm not really keen on these new ones. They've got a different little head on them, but to be honest with you, I think we're going to actually go back with the old ones. I mean, they're rubbish. You're better off put the old ones back in. They've got a nicer flat head on them. They're just a better size. Obviously, oh, you can't get your drill in there. See, you can't get your drill in this one because obviously it's not busted up. So you'll have to put that aside. Use your little trusty screwdriver and just go nice and slow until you make sure it's started. Don't go all the way. Just there you go, like so, and then get your other old one because we're not going to use those new ones. They're just ridiculous. And then put them. Or try and line it up. Just make sure you're in the right hole. Get any holes a go. Just can't get that one lined up. Can't find the hole. There we go. Maybe we'll just go by hand. There we go. Just screw that in like so. For some reason this one is just not starting. I think because when it broke off, it may have wrecked my hole. We'll just try one more time. We'll just push a bit harder. Just see if I can get something started. But yeah, as it's busted off, it's ripped that hole a bit. There we go. I got it started. Just push a little bit harder. At home, you probably shouldn't have to do that, just depending on how she broke off. And then just do that one up there. As you can see, because we've used the old ones, they've got a different head on them, so they're just sitting a bit different. But they just sort of had like a different thread on them, and I wasn't real keen on using them. So anyway, put them aside. Okay, now for the other part, we don't really need to repair it on mine because, as you guys can see, that's still in good nick. But obviously, the new one's going to look a lot nicer and prettier. It's a nicer white. We'll just take that one off and we'll just leave that aside for a rainy day. You know, we never know when we're going to need that, so just make sure you keep that. Not sure we can get the drill in there and make it a bit faster. We'll just have a quick look, just move these guys out of the way a little bit. Oh, look at that. See? There we go. See, that little light helps us out. Alright, then we go to the other one. Line her up. And then drill him out. There we go. Oh, sorry about the bumpy there, guys. It's alright. And that should just come straight out. As you can see, it's the old one, but make sure, don't forget, make sure you keep it. Alright, once again, I feel that I'm just going to use the same screws again. I feel that using those longer ones, and because it's already drilled out, I think it's just right, you know, just to use the old ones. Alright, so get that started again with your hand. Get the other one started with your hand. If you can get it to line up, because that's why I might have troubles with the last one. You just got to try and line it up, because I think that other one, that older one's is a bit Yeah, a bit wider. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get onto this one. That's a bit interesting there, guys. We don't have the same troubles at home, but just doesn't seem to be lining everything up. I'll try that again. I'll pull it over a little bit. As you can see, I was just pulling it over. Now, pull that a bit over. Yeah, I might just bring you guys up and over just so you can have a look. I mean, I might have bought the wrong one. So, as you guys can see that first hole there is lined up. Now, pulling it over, now it's not quite reaching the tip of the other one, as you can see. See, it's just not lined up. Alright, that's a bit of a pity. What we're going to try there, guys, is we'll just take this old one off. Wondering, because that's not going to work. I'll put that back down there. Yeah, you run into a few problems, that's alright, but you guys might have the same troubles at home. Now I'm just checking the two over the top of each other. Yeah, as you can see, that one's definitely a bit shorter. Now what I will do at home, I'll probably just drill that out, make that hole a bit bigger, and then we'll re-put that on. That will be my plan. Yeah, but for now, we're just going to have to drill it out. So, just hold on a second there, guys. I was not expecting this bit of a bump in the road, so to speak. But that's, I don't know if you guys can see that, but those holes, see how they do not line up? See how it's a bit, you can't see light through it? It's just not right. So what we'll do, we'll just drill it out. Alright, just hang on a second, guys. Just got an extra step I wasn't quite planning on. Alright, so you want to get your drill bit. Okay, so got me a trusty drill bit. Not sure if this one's going to be a bit too big, but I'll just check the little hole and see how it goes. So you got me a little drill bit here. Yeah, that's gonna, just checking to see how much we're gonna take out before we go ahead with the process. But yeah, that should be good. Alright, so luckily I've been using the drill. We'll just come back here a little bit, a few extra steps. We're not expecting any of this. We just want to undo that. Oh, come on, you mongrel. Alright, so we've undone that. We'll put our drill bit in. Now what you like to do with your drill bits, guys, the tiny hot tip, is try and push it in, as far as you can. Don't leave it hanging out. You want it to go in, most of the way. Now obviously, tighten her up. Right, oh, that's loosening. Push it in again. Tighten her up, righto. Now, I would not advise to hold this, but if you are going to do, oh, see, it's going to spin on me like that. We really need to try and clamp that down with something, so just hang on a second, you're going to get some grips. Alright, so now you've gone to your toolbox, and you've got your multi-grips out, just to, or whatever you'd like to call them. People call them all sorts of things, pointy nose pliers, just whatever, and then we're just going to slowly, try and hang on to that and drill. Like so. Right, and then we just drill out. Yeah, like so. That hole's much bigger, reasonable size, and so forth. We'll do the second one. And we'll just drill in and take him out, and there we have it. Right, so we got that drilled out, the bigger holes there. Put that down. Look at that. That's much better. Alright, so round two, guys. So we've got our screws. Hopefully, there, we're probably going to put a little bit of a washer on there now, but we'll just see if that lines up a bit better. So I'm screwing that one in again by hand. Bring you guys back over here, because we've seen the drill bit now. We've seen all that action. And then, you're not going to believe it. It's bloody perfect. Alright. So we're coming back over here. Oh, you're not going to believe it. Still not wide enough. We've really had some troubles today. Normally don't get any troubles on Donny's hot tip, but today you're not going to believe it. It's still not wide enough. Okay. So once again, we're just going to have to go out. Now what I would do, because you don't want to bother getting another drill bit, it's just go back in your hole, and what I do is just push down a bit. Not too far, but just, see how I'm just pushing that down a bit, just making that a bit wider. Oh, sorry about that, boys. Girls, this thing. Just going up and down. See how I'm just cutting that out, just making it a little bit wider. There we go. Alright. And once again, we'll take that off and we'll try again. Alright, put the first one in. That's always the easy one. And back to the second one. And look at that. There we go. Bub's the uncle, boys and girls. We got her in. Alright, now just take this back a little bit just so I can get the screw in there. Yeah, we're not going to use the drill for this one. We'll just do it by hand. We've gotten this far. Now what I would do, once this is done, we'll probably end up just putting like a bit of a washer maybe, but it seems to be, oh sorry about that guys, seems to be pretty good. Alright, just screw that in all the way, like so, just making sure that's nice and tight. Okay, we'll get our stuff out the way, but don't forget guys, make sure you save all these little ones. Alright, now move everything out the way. Now we'll just do the final finale, the tester. You always got to do a nice little tester. Alright, I'll bring in the door back, making sure it's all lined up. Alright, making sure, there we go, just get a little rubbish out of the way, so you can give it a good finale. Boom. That's brilliant. That's Donny's hot tip, how to fix up your door jamb. See you on the next one. Bye.